Hi everyone, my name is Sanjeev. In this video, I will demo how to set up CI/CD using Git Actions and Mule Maven plugin to automate the Mule application build and deployment. I will start the demo right away. I have a Mule application CI/CD demo. It has a simple flow. I have listener. It is listening on CI/CD. Path is CI/CD. In POM file, I have configured the Mule Maven plugin. I have provided the Cloud Hub deployment configuration. In this Cloud Hub deployment configuration, I have provided URI. This is a anypoint URL, anypoint.mulesoft.com. This is a Mule runtime. This property is defined right here. And this is the username password of the anypoint platform. This is the application name of the application that will be deployed on Cloud Hub. When it will be deployed, this will be the name of the application. I'm providing here environment using parameter. And here is the region parameter, workers and worker type, all are parameterized. And here I'm sending one sample property to the Cloud Hub. Now I will go to the GitHub. I have posted the project in CI/CD demo repo. So here is a project. And you can see that I have this Cloud Hub deployment configuration right here. Now I will create a CI/CD pipeline using GitHub Actions for this repo. So for that, I will go to the Actions. And here I will create a workflow. I will search Maven and I will select this Java and Maven configuration. So it has created a directory .github, and under .github there is a directory called workflows, and it created a file. It's YAML file. I will change the name of this file from Maven to CICD build deployment automation.yaml. I will change the comment here. The workflow will build a Java project. I will say Mule project using these actions, cache and restore dependencies with Maven. And I will change the name here. I will say Mule CICD Mule Maven plugin. So this is an event when workflow will trigger. So this will trigger when we will push the code to the master branch or whenever we will create a pull request. So whenever we will create the pull request, this workflow will trigger. Here we can write the job. First we will write the build job. So we already have some code here. We will use this. Run on means this pipeline will run on this server instance. So it will be Ubuntu latest operating system. Now here are steps. First it will check out the code. This is the first action that is being used. After this we will use one more action. So let me go to my notepad. So I will use one more action, that is cache. So cache action, what it does, this action allows cache dependency. So it caches the dependency and it improves the workflow execution. Checkout, it checkouts the repository. under GitHub workspace. So I'm going to use this cache as well because it makes the workflow faster. These are the with options. It is using this path .m2 repository folder for as a path for caching, and here it is making a key and restore key just to refresh the cache where we don't hit the cache. No hit cache happens, then it will replace the stale value of the key. So this is a cache option to improve the workflow performance. This is checkout. Now we will use the setup JDK because we need to have JDK for building the Mule application. So I will use JDK 8. This is the name, and here is the action setup JDK, setup Java version 3, and it used the Java version. So I will say use Java 8, not 17. Distribution is fine. We don't need this. And then we are building, this is the doing package using this form file. It will build the artifact. Now I will upload this artifact. So I will use the upload action. So I'm copying the upload action. And what upload action does, it upload the artifact from workflow runs. So it does the upload of the artifacts. So here at the end, I will use upload. So before upload, we are stamping the artifact file with the commit hash. So we are running this command. Run is used for running the command. So first it is actually getting the jar file, the first jar file using ls, and then it's building the hash, and then it using set command for replacement and stamping the commit hash here, and then it is using at the end upload action to upload the artifact with this name. So this is the build. After building, it's just uploading, and I'm removing this part. We don't need this. So this is we completed the build job. This is the build job. We completed it. Now I will create one more job, that is a deploy job. So I will copy part of build job from here, and here I will paste it, and I will give the name deploy. All the job GitHub runs in parallel, but in this case we want to build first, and we want to generate this artifact file before deployment job should start. So I am providing the dependency. For that we need a need element. So needs, and I will say build. So that means deploy job is dependent on build job. So build job should finish first. Once it's finished, it will create the artifact using package option, and will upload here using upload action. So here we are using checkout, then we are using cache as I explained previously. Now I will download the artifact jar that we built it in previous job. So I will just download the artifact. So this is a download action I'm using. It will download the artifact named artifacts, and this is the name we gave when we uploaded. So it will download the same artifact. Now I will run the deploy command. So here I already built the command. Let me copy this first. So once we have artifact jar file that is packaged in previous build job, we are running this command. So here we are just doing ls jar, and then we are getting first name, and we are putting that name of the jar in this environment variable. And here I'm using Maven deploy with the -d deploy mule deploy switch, and here I'm using artifact name, that is we just build it in environment variable here, and we are providing value here. And rest of the command we are just giving the username, password of any point platform, and then all the parameter that we actually created in here in this Cloud Hub deployment configuration. We need to send all these parameters. So I'm sending all these value using -d option as a environment variable. So I'm passing all these worker, reason, environment, dev, and the name of the application. So I'm giving today's date, CICD app, today's date. So this will be the name of the application when it's deployed to the Cloud Hub. I'm passing the worker type micro and worker as a 1. And here I'm passing the anypoint platform username and password. For that I'm using environment variable. Here I'm using this environment variable, anypoint username and anypoint password, and value of these environment variables I'm passing from secret. So I'm going to create these two secret, and I'm going to show you in a moment. Under settings and secrets, so I'm going to create this. So our this build job and deploy job is complete. So let me save this. So I will commit directly to the master branch. Now it will start the build automatically, but it will fail because we don't have the secrets. So I'm going to create those secrets. So under setting, I will go to the secrets and variables, actions. And here, okay, I already have those secrets. Let me delete it, and I will show you how to create it again. So I will delete this. So I will provide my GitHub password here. Now I will delete this one also, anypoint username. So we deleted both the secret. Now I will create a new secret here. So I will come here. I will get the name of the secret. That's what we gave in the YAML file, workflow YAML file. So I will say new repository secret. And here I will provide the name of the secret, and here I will give the value. So this is my username of the anypoint platform. So we have one secret. Now I will create one more secret here, and I will give the name anypoint password, and my password is, this is my password. Click add. So I have added both the secret, and this secret will be used now. So let me go to the action. So we can see that our workflow has been started. Let me go there. So build is complete. Now deployment happening. If this is not calling the anypoint platform, if we have not reached that stage, then it will not fail, because we created actually secret later on. But if we created actually the secret before it invoked the Maven deploy command, then it will be fine. But build is successful. We can see the green signal. So you can see that, you can see the steps, and you can go in anywhere in detail, and you can get the detail. Like we are setting up Java here. Here is cache. We use cache action. Here we use checkout. So you can get detail of any action, any step. Build the artifact using this command. Name of the jar file that is created, and then it uploaded. So this is a upload action. So you can get that detail, and then there is some post steps also for cleanup and all. Let me go back. I will go to deploy step now. So deploy is happening. So checkout and run is completed. Download is done. We downloaded successfully artifact. Then deployment is going on. So I think it will be fine, because when we commit this workflow YAML file, that time we already had secret, because my previous secret was there. And I think it fetched those secret and used it in this Maven deploy command. I deleted it later on, and I showed you how to create it again. But I think by that time it already picked up those secret, and it was correct that time also. And later on also, when I created it, actually that time also they were there and they were correct. So value of the any point username and any point password, they were correct before also, and after deleting also it was same. So deploy is happening. Let me go to the Anypoint platform. Let's see, do we have that application getting deployed? I will go to the runtime manager. Okay, so our application has been started. That means deployment is done. Let me see the status here. So it's successful. Build is successful. That means it's done. We see the green signal in deploy also. Build and deploy both job has completed. So our workflow is also successful. We can see the green signal here, and completed in 6 minutes 22 seconds. So let me do one more change here quickly and show you how it works. I will go to the repo. I will go to the source main. First, I will invoke the what is has been deployed just now. So I will go to the new tab, and I will go to the here and get the domain name. And here I will call /CICD endpoint. So we can see that we got the response, hello. Now here I will change the transform message from hello. Okay, I have to change to edit mode. So here I will say hello there. I will commit it. So commit complete. We should see the new workflow start. So you can see that it just committed, and we can see that our workflow in progress. So build in progress, we can go to detail. So right now it's building it, build finish, now it's deploying it, starting the job, setup job, cache is done, now it's deploying. So let me go to the Anypoint platform. It should be updating the application now. Still not updating. Let me refresh it. It's taking time because it need to upload file first. So let me go there. It just uploaded the application. So it's after uploading, it's updating the jar file. So it's redeploying. It's checking its status, if it is started or not. Let me check the log. It is starting worker. Okay, application is started successfully. Listener is started successfully. So I'll invoke the endpoint again. We got the change message, hello there. Okay, application has been deployed in endpoint platform, Cloud Hub. Okay, deploy is also complete. Build is successful. So let me go back to the repo. Here under .github/workflow, I created a workflow with the help of Git Actions. Here we use the event when this workflow should trigger. So it has a push when we push the new code to the master branch, and when we creating pull request, that time it will trigger. It have two jobs, build and deploy. Build is building the jar file artifact with the help of checkout, cache, and setup Java actions, and then it's running the Maven package command to build the artifact, and then it's uploading the artifact. In the deploy, it has dependency on build because build should finish first, so we can get the artifact jar file. It's running on Ubuntu like build. It's also runs on Ubuntu. This also runs on Ubuntu, and all the job in GitHub runs in parallel. But if we define the dependency using need, then it will be in sequence. It will execute the jobs in sequence. So deploy is getting completed with the help of checkout, cache, and download actions. And then at the end, I'm running the command, that's Maven deploy command. And I'm sending these all environment variable with the -d options. So this is all in this video. In this video, I showed you how to use Git Actions and Git Job and the Maven Mule plugin to automate the build and deploy the Mule application to Cloud Hub. This is all in this video. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.